Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Wow. 420 amp hours. Wow. Nice work. I like the way this is, the speaker pod mount. That's crazy. Dude, you did a good job. Wow. Are these 18s or?
18s.
Wow, 18-inch mid-range. Do you have a switch where you can turn this off and on depending on how you're playing the system studio?
No, I don't, but that was the plan. Yeah.
So everything plays.
We finished it on Friday.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Yes, sir.
We didn't have enough time to do all the little.
That's all good.
Stuff.
Yeah, man, it looks really good. You did a nice job. Very clean install, too. I like that you got a little bit of seat room space to be able to move back and it's not right up the B-pillar.
Yeah, the builder, that was one of his main concerns. He wanted to keep it functional.
Yeah.
So he said, you know what, let's push it back. You know, so
very
people
nice.
could sit down.
Yeah. So what is your name and what else in here, man?
My name is Emmanuel. I got 4 F5, 5 on Vegas, 1 bass, 30K, bunch of mids and highs.
Yep. Very nice. Wow. Who built this?
Serious Innovations.
Serious? Okay.
Yeah.
Nice work. Do you know any of the box specs, tuning, or SPL or anything yet?
Box is about 14 Qs, tuned to 27 hertz.
Okay.
I don't know the numbers. I haven't metered it yet.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's about it.
Okay. I like it, man. Looks good. What are these subwoofers rated at? Really big magnets.
It's rated at 4,500.
Okay. Conservatively?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, man, I would love to hear it. Awesome.
Thanks.
Looks really good. Did a good job.
Thanks.
So what is this, a temperature reader or?
That's a amp meter.
Oh,
So that's for the alternator.
Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah.
Amps, all right.
Trying to connect the Bluetooth.
You're good.
Sounds like testicles, but it's bigger. Stars in the roof, sitting in the way. Got it all off these balls, man, this shit can crazy. I've been out wildin' with the young niggas lately. Fucking all the pretty bitches, man, this shit can crazy. I'm blessed, so it's grace. Lifestyle too much for life. I've been on some player shit. Who shot nigga don't make it. You was not the reason I'm pulling up in that Loudest. West side nigga ho, I don't need no favors. Fucking range, bitch. I ain't planning on the change, bitch. I'm going through it, feel the pain, bitch. 400 gang, cause that bang, bitch. You in your face if I rock. My face. Shit on my I'm 100 bodies. Move, bitch. A nickname goes back. I'm telling I'ma be okay, cause this shit not okay. Give a fuck about what you think, bitch. Fuck what you think. But don't come judging me, cause I had too much drugs and drink. Also sit back, little spot. They want my spot, they don't deserve it. Can't forget that. Who you in there, how you make that. I was a bitch nigga in the party. Lure me down, shame never got it. Well, nobody gon' have a car for you. I'm coming like a party. All this bullshit, niggas and bitches, I'm making it all the day. It's bad for me right here in my face. I've been on the phone block, I've been on the edge. My ass, I'ma help me get away. Yeah, what you think I do? I buy more drugs and drink. Move, bitch. A nigga need little space. Don't tell me I'ma be okay, cause this shit not okay. Fuck about what you think, bitch. Fuck what you think. You look like it's a maze. But I'm drunk, y'all make you like it just glass on my face. The homie just got rain, pour water my name. They know we from the pain, too much drugs and I ain't in the mood. You in your face if I. I'm 100 bodies.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.